Hi, boys and girls. We're going to work on our letter for the day, and I'll show it to you. I've got a picture. Can you tell me what letter that is? The letter K. K, K, kangaroo. All right, we have some pictures here of different things that begin with our letter K. Let's see, our first one. Can you tell what this is? Kite. Kite begins with the letter K. K, 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 kite. Wonderful. Now this is the same thing that's on our letter card, so you should be able to get that picture. Kangaroo. You're right. So let's say kangaroo. We'll say the beginning sound twice, and then we'll say the picture. K, K, kangaroo. Very good. All right, here is a picture. Can you tell me what that is? That is a king. Okay, let's say the beginning sound twice and then say the picture. K, K, king. Very good. And then look at this little fuzzy guy. Can you tell what kind of animal that is? A koala. Okay, let's say the beginning sound twice and then the picture. Ready? K, K, koala. All right, one last picture we have here. Okay. Do you know what that is? You're right, that's a key. Let's say the beginning sound twice and then we'll say the picture. Here we go. K, K, key. Very good. Let's take a look at these pictures one more time. So we have a kite, kangaroo, key, koala, and king. K, K, kangaroo. All right, you have a seesaw activity that you have to work on with the letter K, so be sure to do that and make sure you send it to us so we can see your great work. And we're going to quick review our kindergarten words that we've been practicing. All right, so here's our first one. So let's spell it first. T-H-E, the. Okay, let's do it one more time. T-H-E, the. The, let's see, kangaroo. I see the kangaroo. All right, let's take a look at our next one. Do you remember this one? This is the one that you have your seesaw activity with the word am. Let's spell it and say it. A-M, am. Let's do it again. A-M, am. All right, I am at school. All right, am. All right, and our last one, at. Let's spell it and then say it. A-T, at. A-T, at. Mrs. Cool is at school. At. Very good. All right, boys and girls. Be sure to do your at activity on Seesaw and be sure to do your K activity on Seesaw so we can see your fabulous work. Have a wonderful day. And again, remember, if you need anything, you just message us or text us or call the school and we'll be sure to get back to you right away. All right, have a great day. Bye.